Hey everyone, this is Rachel and welcome to another scrapbooking process video. If you hang out until after the video is through, there are always detailed shots of my current layout. Let's get going! Hey everyone, so if you saw a previous video of mine, you know that I am doing a Christmas in July kit and challenge on a message board I belong to. Now, I have no idea if this is actually going to go up in July, but I am making this in July, so hence the Christmas in July theme. All right, folks, I am using the kit I made for this Christmas and July event. So it's a mix of all sorts of different older and newer product from my stash. I made a video explaining this kit, so I will hopefully remember to put in the description box below a link to that in case you have any queries about how I make kits. All right, folks, I'm going to go ahead, get you put on fast forward and start working on a layout. So let's get going. Okay, so apparently Christmas in July leads to Christmas process videos in August because I was just not able to get these process videos done in the same month. I did, however, put out a Kill a Kit and layout share video, so I will put both my how I made this kit video and my Kill a Kit video in the description box below. So I kind of went through what I had picked, and my eye was immediately drawn to using the inspiration piece for my kit, which is this diagonal stripe multicolor multi-size piece that is from a paper pad by Heidi Swap. It's an older line, and I just really liked it. So what I'm going to do is well, I already did actually, is I matted my photo in that tone on tone snowflake paper that is also from Heidi Swap. And now I'm considering what I should do. I think I'm looking for something right now. I'm not quite sure where I am. Oh, I went to look for my trimmer. Hello. So I'm going to go ahead and trim off that Baby It's Cold Outside 3x4 card, basically because I wanted the ability to maybe use one of those cut apart pieces, and I needed this multicolored polka dot, and this is from Pink Paisley Yuletide line, to be long enough to be longer than my 4x6 photo. So I like the way this is looking. I've got the picture of our Christmas tree this past year, and now I'm using these older thickers. These are a soft black. They're not super strikingly black. They're almost could be considered like a charcoal black, but anyway, so these are slightly older thickers. They are chipboard, so I'm going to reinforce them with some glue, and they are called Good Tidings. So they did come out with a Christmas line. I just don't remember which Christmas line it was. So I've got that down. I'm going to go ahead and skip ahead so you don't have to watch me gluing all these letters down. I do forget to put the dot on my I, but I will remember at a later time. And then I'm going to finish off my my title with yeah, this is it. This is it, folks. This is all I did. If you think this is all I did, then you don't know me, or you have never watched a video of mine before. So I'm going to finish this off with the title off with these alphas from Simple Stories, Claus and Company. Now I'm looking to make the letter T. I do not, however, have a letter T, so I'm going to use an L and an F and kind of put them together and come up with the letter T. Enough that it looks enough for me. It's a little wider than the original T would be, but I would have had to trim down both sides, and I figured just easier just to trim down one side than two. And since there isn't another T from that line on this layout, I don't think anyone's really going to notice. So I'm going to go bold with my sticker and choose this largest Santa's sleigh, which I thought went well for a Christmas tree photo. And then I'm going to pick a couple of ornaments. That sticker sheet is from Photoplay Paper, Dear Santa. I'm also going to use these epoxy candy canes that came with the Yuletide line from Pink Paisley. That is an older line, and I had just those candy canes left in that package. The rest of the package were multicolored enamel dots. Spoiler alert, I do have an entire other package of those that I haven't even touched yet, but I love the enamel dots that came with them, so I'm totally okay with that. I also added some sparkly puffy stickers from My Mind's Eye Sugar Plum. Did I, or did I just can't remember if no, I have not added them. I don't remember if I do add them or not. We will have to see. I did, however, go to my L Studio cut apart labels and I added my journaling. And basically what I'm talking about is we were super busy with doing a show. Oh, you know what I added from My Mind's Eye? I added the little dots. That's what I added. I didn't add any of the ornaments or anything. I'm almost finished here, but I do want to tell you this story is about how we decided just to decorate our tree. We didn't do much else for decorating simply because we were very busy with a show. That is my layout for today. Thank you guys so much for joining me here. If you could flick me a thumbs up, that would be super awesome. And if you noticed, I did add some shimmers in Night Moves. All right, everyone. Bye.